Hi students, please meet Mr. Sushil Seli, who's Regional Manager South Asia from Saskatchewan Polytechnic. Okay, Sushil, please tell us something about your Saskatchewan Polytechnic and why it's become such an important destination for students studying from India.
Saskatchewan, the province, as you know, is a central province in Canada. Saskatchewan Polytechnic is the largest public institution in the province of Saskatchewan with nearly 15,000 students, out of which 1,500 are international students. So as a polytechnic, as a college, as a public institution in Saskatchewan, the programs that we have to offer are very industry focused, integrated with the requirements of the industry for their existing requirements as well as their future upcoming requirements for their manpower requirements, for their skills and workforce need. As I mentioned, our programs are very applied, job focused, prepared in consultation with the industry. So what happens, it enhances and it kind of assures student success eventually when they graduate. So there are good job placements and opportunities for all of them. Saskatchewan as a destination, as you all must be knowing, has a lower cost of living. We have high graduate success rate. We have a lot of pathways for students who come into our undergraduate programs. We have a lot of opportunities for them to transfer credits to universities within Saskatchewan and across Canada.
Can you tell us a little bit more about these credit transfers, Sushil? Maybe it would be interesting for students.
Yeah, surely. So most of our undergraduate programs, almost I would say 90% of our undergraduate programs have credit transfer opportunities into various universities. So how it works is students will do a 2-year program with us, at the end of which they will graduate with a diploma. Now they have an option either at that point to go for a job work, or if they want to continue to do a bachelor's degree, then there are universities with whom we have articulation where all these credits will be transferred and they can go directly into the year 3 of the bachelor's in that university. So it will become kind of a 2+2. Yeah, kind of a 2+2. Yeah.
So the universities are University of Regina and University of Saskatchewan, are they?
They too are there for certain programs. Then there are universities like Queen's University, Memorial University, Lakehead University, a lot of universities across Canada as well, depending on the program. But of course, as you know, in Canada, students can always apply for credit transfers to any university across Canada, which will then assess and evaluate and give them the credits. But these universities with whom we have agreements, they will give them block credit transfers directly into 3rd year.
Can you name some programs which are very popular in India, Sushil, please?
So we have a whole range of programs. We have a School of Business in which we have undergraduate business programs with specializations in accountancy, financial services, HR, marketing, management, and insurance. These are all 2-year programs. These are quite popular for India. We have PGs, PG certificates as well in School of Business, a PG in business accountancy, a PG in business management, a PG in supply chain management, and a new program being launched in PG in financial services. Very popular. In fact, a couple of programs are already full for September. So they are doing very well. Then we have programs in engineering. We have a lot of engineering programs. We have CAD/CAM engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics, mining, you just name it, almost everything, because the province needs these people. So all the programs that we have are based on the requirements within the province. So as you know, that's how colleges work.
You spoke to me about financial securities program, Sushil.
Financial services, yes. So the program is talking about anyone having a bachelor's degree. Any bachelor's will do, but of course, if they have a business or a commerce bachelor's, then it becomes more focused to them. So it has courses like banking fundamentals, consumer credit and insurance, investment funds. I believe a lot of students, financial advising, income tax for financial professionals. So these are some of the subjects that are taught in the program. The focus of the program, the careers that they will have will be like banking and investment managers, financial sales reps. Those are the kind of.
So what is the special support that you're giving students during this COVID-19 situation?
Well, currently for current students, as you know, we have moved classes online. We are finishing the courses, the semester, the terms for them by moving everything online with support. Student advisors are still available for them virtually, on phone, on email, and of course through such Zoom and other platforms. We have actually initiated a student financial support fund, a huge, it's I think around $150,000, especially to help students who have to cope with this sudden change in the situations. A lot of students, as you know, would have been in jobs doing their co-ops probably. Some would have been doing part-time jobs. Now suddenly they are out of all those jobs and they are in financial difficulty. So we have this emergency support fund, and it is available even to international students. During the COVID crisis, what we are doing is still processing applications for September. We didn't have a May intake, so we are not largely impacted right now. We are also looking at options for, as we know, IELTS and other tests have been delayed, are suspended. So, which is one of the major requirements for us to have an IELTS at the time of applying. We are looking at options. And we'll come by next week. We'll have certain options in place for students to be able to go through some other English language proficiency tests to be able to
students should
apply.
be in touch with CANAM counselors
Of
for
course.
all these
So,
updates.
of course. So we will be sending out updates to all of our partners, and I would recommend students who are watching this right now or later is that they should keep in touch with their CANAM counselors, CANAM offices in their respective locations to get updates about everything concerning the September intake as well. As for now, application is on. But of course, for the English language tests, we will be sending out more details shortly and sharing with all of you, and it will also be on the website, of course. Then we also are, also are planning to see as time moves, as we see how the situation develops for September. So we will take some decisions accordingly, depending on how the government of Canada, removes restrictions or keeps them in place. We don't know, and how IRCC also supports all this transition that is happening currently. We're also coming up with some tuition and deferral policies specifically for this kind of a situation, which will be looking at very favorably for students who may think of deferring for September in these situations.
Are you talking about refund policies?
Yes. So those are also coming in place. They are just being finalized. So, we understand the concern of students and parents right now. They don't want to send their children right away, not knowing what's going to happen. Everyone is worried. But for now, we are on for September. So I just want to reassure students, we are accepting applications, we are giving offer letters, we are doing everything to support the September intake in normal, as assuming as if everything is normal and we have to behave. CANAM has one of our, partners, very preferred partners who have been giving us tremendous support, and a large number of students come through them, quality students, because that's important for us to have quality students who are committed and focused to study. And I believe you would have a lot of examples of students who have graduated and have been successful in Saskatchewan, getting jobs and even settled down there. And I would just like to add here, although I'm not one expert, as you may be all aware, and CANAM would be the best place to go to for these students. Saskatchewan has a Saskatchewan immigrant nominee program, which is very favorable to students who study from a Saskatchewan public institution. And our college is, of course, one of those. So for more details, students can contact your offices because you're authorized to talk about the details. It's good. We get a lot of students actually currently moving in from other provinces to Saskatchewan Polytechnic for this very reason, that the PR is more attractive, I would say, in Saskatchewan, and there are more opportunities as well. because Saskatchewan, like all provinces, has an aging workforce. The population is just 11 lakhs. So yes, we need young people. We need people. There are jobs. The economy has been growing, and we believe it will bounce back. Given this bump right now, I think we'll be back. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sushil. It was great talking to you. And I'm sure the
Pleasure.
students would find this entire conversation very useful for them. And the moment they're ready to apply, they should be in touch with a Can-Am counselor.